Hi viewers, thank you for joining me in this wonderful episode on your favorite aviation YouTube channel, Aviation Info, where as usual we always bring to you the most amazing YouTube aviation content. In today's video, I will take us briefly through the process of doing some brief flight checks. Meanwhile, before I continue, if you're still new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you love aircraft, you love aviation, please don't forget to subscribe so you not miss of any of our amazing uploads. Thank you for tuning in. So it's time for us to go and do some checks on the aircraft to make sure the aircraft is good, to make sure the aircraft is ready to be flown. And there's a complete sequence how these checks are being carried out. Can you just watch the video? You see how I go through each of them step by step until I go out through the aircraft. So I will start. I check the surfaces of the aircraft. I will test for the fuel to make sure it has no contaminations. When it's confirmed that the fuel is clear, I empty my fuel tester. I check the surface of the wings. I check every part of it to make sure there's no fracture or something. Check the surfaces, check the screws and make sure everything is well fitted. Check for the ailerons and check for the flaps. On the tail of the aircraft, check if the trim it's in order. You check if the elevators are working, if they are not stocked. And never forget, equally, we are always ensure to open the fuel tanks and cross check if we have enough fuel for the flight that we're supposed to operate. Okay, if we were planning to go on a 2 hours flight, we must make sure that we have enough fuel that it's able to carry us to our training area and bring us back safe. So the same thing done on the right engine. We make sure that we check also if the fuel is cleared, it's not contaminated and so something. So at this point, we will open the engine panel to check for the fuel, for the oil level. If it's in order, we check for the liquid fluids actually. for the inlet vents, make sure that they are cleared. There is no obstacle inside, there is no bird or anything. Yeah, so when this must have been okay, when we must have gone through all entire aircraft, then our pre-flight checks, external ones are completed, and we think the aircraft is in order, it's good to be flown. So this is Aviation Info, your favorite aviation YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my amazing content. We do a lot of plane sporting videos. If you enjoy watching aircraft, then consider to be a subscriber to this channel.